How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today our lecture is for the 2 class and the subject is English. As you know that we have learned the 2 chapters. Now this is the chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is A Friend Called Buddy. As you know that this chapter is about a friend called Buddy. Now come on the text on the course book, page number 28. In this lesson, this lesson is about a story, the story between the 2 friends that they learn a few lessons from each other. As you know that now I am doing the reading here. Page number 28. Every evening, David played cricket with his friend in the park. After the game, they ate the food they brought from home. One day, as they were eating after a game, a cat came limping towards them. These texts you can read by yourself under the guideline of your tutors and your parents on the page number 28. When you this lesson is about a friend called Buddy. You can read this lesson by yourself under the guideline of your tutor and parents also. When you read this lesson, you can easily solve the exercise that are given next on the next pages. This story is about 2 friends and a cat. The cat helped them in finding their ball by different ways. You can read, you can easily understand. Now this page is about page number 29, reading comprehension. Fill in the blanks with the words that describes the character in the story. This story is about the character David. The name of the boy is David and his friend. They go for a walk in the park. After the game, they ate the food and they found a cat. The character in this story is about the David. David is dash because he gave the cat biscuit. उसने cat को क्या दिया? बिस्किट दिया, जिसकी वजह से वो क्या होगा? Cruel, greedy या kind? He will be kind. So that's why you have to put there. Next one. Shan is mean because he shouted at the cat. Helpful, careless, mean. Answer is mean. Buddy is helpful because he helps find the ball. So that's why A will be the answer, helpful. Complete the sentence about David. You have to write down the one sentence for the David. David is kind because he fed the hungry cat. Complete this sentence like writing he feed the hungry cat. Now come on the next page, which is about page number 30. In this lesson, in this page, we learn about the vocabulary. The word in the red describes the feeling. As you know that there are some words in the red color like scared, worried, happy, sad and angry. These are all our feelings that we feel these. Like scared, डर, worried, परेशान होना, happy, खुश होना, sad, उदास and angry, गुस्सा. These are all about our feelings. So that's why these are all about the feelings and we have to fill in the blanks with using the correct feelings word. These are all the feelings and you have to put this feeling there. Now page number 30. May was worried, W-O-R-R-I-E-D, worried when she could not find the keys in her bag. The birds were scared of the hunter, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. My mother is happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy when I help her. Jacob was sad when his pet died. I am sorry, please don't be angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Now come on the next page, 31. This page is about the grammar page and we learn in this chapter about the has and have. When we talk about long thing, we use has. But when we learn about the short things, we use has, and we learn about the long things, we use have. These are the 2 different sentences, words, grammar words like has and have. We use has when we talk about short things, small things, and when we talk about long things, much things, we use have. जब किसी कम चीज की या थोड़ी चीज की बात की जाएगी तो उसके लिए यूज करते हैं has, और जब ज्यादा चीज या बड़ी चीज के लिए आप बात कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए यूज करते हैं have. For example, I am giving an example. Hairs. The hairs will be short or long. अगर किसी गर्ल के या बॉय के हेयर्स शॉर्ट होंगे तो उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे हैज, बट व्हेन द हेयर्स विल बी लॉन्ग वी यूज हैव. नाउ देयर आर द टू एग्जांपल्स. Ron has short hairs, as we know that boys has short hairs and the girls have long hairs. So that's why we use has for the short and long for the have. Have, long for the have. Now these are about the has and have exercise. Means that you have to put these. When we talk about more than two things, we use have. But when we talk about single thing, we use has. Now it's clear. When we talk about short things, one thing, we use has. But when we talk about two things, three things, we use have. And also use the long words, so that's why we use have. Now this is the exercise. I have a sore ear. They have many books. He has a toy car. That bird has blue wings. A spider has 8 legs. The boys have blue uniform. Now complete this exercise. Page number 31. Come on the next page. Page number 32. In this page we learn about a letter apostrophe. Do you have clear concept in your minds like this? The recognition of this letter will be apostrophe. We use this apostrophe in the sentence by adding the s to make a singular to into double sentence. On the page number 32. Now we add an apostrophe and add an s to a noun to show who or what it belongs to. This is जब किसी भी चीज की means that this book is mine. जब मेरी बुक की बात की जाएगी तो उसके लिए मैं apostrophe के साथ s के लेटर को यूज करूंगी, यानी ये जो चीज है मुझसे बिलोंग करती है, लाइक s. जब भी किसी चीज के साथ किसी की कोई बुक आप ले रहे हैं, जब उसको रिटर्न करते हैं तो उसको आप रिटर्न करने के लिए आप apostrophe के साथ s लेटर अरेंज करेंगे, लगाएंगे. s का मतलब होता है कि ये चीज उससे बिलोंग करती है, ये चीज उसकी है, उसका ताल्लुक है इस बुक से. ठीक है. Now these are all about the page 32. This is cat's pin. Tabby is Tom's pet. I am riding my sister's bicycle. My shirt's collar is dirty. Means that as the apostrophe tells us that this thing belong with them. Now this is the exercise on the page number 32. You have to put the apostrophe with the letter S. आपने इस एक्सरसाइज को कंप्लीट करना है. किस तरह से? पहले apostrophe लगाना है, उसके साथ S लेटर को लगाना है. ये S इस चीज को शो करता है कि ये जिस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो चीज उसकी है, उस पर्सन की है, उस थिंग की है. ठीक है. Now this is the exercise you have to complete on the page number 32. This is a task. Now page number 33, which is about the spellings. Read the words below. The letter Y sounds like long I. In this letter, in this page, we learn the letter Y. But we know that when we recall the letter Y, it gives us a long sound like I. Like buy, cry, dry, fly, try, my, shy, sky, try and white. As you notice that I am pronouncing the word by, but it gives the sound like I. मैं एक word by बोल रही हूँ, but लेकिन इसका जो sound आ रहा है वो long I आ रहा है. So that's why we use this word to complete this page, page number 33. Now this is your listening page. When you are in the school, you have to complete these pages, listening and the speaking pages. But as you know that you are not at the schools, you are at your homes. So that's why it will be pending. Now next page is about the 36. Complete the sentence using the apostrophe and the words in the bracket. The first person, one has been done for you. Means that Vicky's sister is very friendly. Vicky and sister, they are giving you two words like Vicky and sister. अब वो विकी की सिस्टर है तो विकी के नेम के साथ apostrophe के साथ हम s लगा देंगे, तो इसको इस लेटर को हम कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. इसी these are all the different exercise for you. You have to complete this. Now come on the next page, page number 37. In this chapter we learn about the two things like has and have concept. Again I am giving you the concept. When we talk about the short things, we use the letter has. But when we talk about the long things, we use the letter have. And the next one is about the apostrophe and s concept. Means that their thing belongs to you. We use the apostrophe with the singular letter s. And now it's all about the clear concept about these two. Now write words with the end Y and the long I sound. They are giving you these words and you have to write down the word on this space. Okay students, these are all about this chapter. In this chapter we learn about these things, like the chapter name is again recalling a friend called Buddy. We have two concepts like the has and have concept, like has and have concept, and the apostrophe concept. And the sound words like Y, which gives the long sound I sounds. Now these are all about your course book work. Now we have to do our notebook work. So open your notebook. Students, as you know that this is your English notebook. And now we are doing the chapter number 3 and we are doing the task on the notebook. The first question that we have to do on the notebook is about the dictation. Dictation. I am announcing and pronouncing some words like dictation words: worried, W-O-R-R-I-D, worried, H-A-P-P-Y, happy, B-R-E-A-D, bread, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Worried, happy, bread, scared, and angry. The next task on the notebook is words antonym. Word antonyms means opposite words. As you know that these are the words and these have the meaning, opposite meaning. Quickly, slowly. Hard, soft. Gave, took. Sad, happy. Friend, enemy. Again, quickly, slowly. Hard, soft. Gave, took, sad, happy, friend, enemy. Now, the next task on your notebook is about the make sentences. Activity number 3. Make sentences. First word is go. And these are all the sentences. Go is the word. I go to the park. Next the word is food. The sentence is food gives us energy. The next 3 words I am giving you and you have to make the sentences of these 3 letters like thin, friend and home. These are all about the make sentences. Now the next activity, activity number 4 is about the answer this question. These are all about the answer these questions. I am just writing here the questions and you have to give them the answers of these questions. Like first question is about what did David do every evening. When you read the lesson, you can easily give the answer of these questions. Now question number 2 is about who came to them while eating. The next one, how did cat becomes their friend. How did David lose his new ball. How did David get the ball back? These are all the questions. Just I am writing here. You have to give them the answers of these questions. Now the next activity is about activity number 5 is about the sound words. Sound words, as you know that sound words that gives us a different sound. In this chapter we learn about the letter Y that gives us the long sound I. So that's why these are the few words that I am writing here like buy, my, cry, sky, dry, shy, fly, try, fry, why. These are all the sound words. As you notice that these are all have same sound like same letter Y, but it gives the sound long I sound. Now these are all about your notebook task and you have to complete these tasks under the guideline of your tutors and the parents also. Thank you so much. This is all about your chapter number 3 which is about the a friend called Buddy. Okay students, this is a homework for you for the class 2. Complete, learn plus solve page number. I am giving you few pages like 30 to 33 pages and you have to complete and learn these pages from the course book. Plus learn complete chapter number 3 from the notebook. As you know that if you have any kind of problem, you can contact with the school and you have to come, you just have to call, make sure a call and bring the all notes from that are available in the store. Thank you so much.